Most people browse Amazon looking for useful equipment, then end up sorting through vague claims and long feature lists. I went through the details for you and kept this list focused on function, setup, and real use. A few picks later in the list solve jobs that usually waste time. One near the end tackles a chore many people keep postponing. The goal here is simple: clear information on what each product does and who it suits. All product links are in the description. Mini Laser Engraver. Small batch engraving gets frustrating when alignment keeps drifting. This 10-watt desktop laser engraver uses a built-in high-definition camera for real-time preview and drag-and-drop positioning. It reaches 12,000 millimeters per minute and works on wood, leather, paper, plastic, cloth, food, painted metal, and more. The fully enclosed Class 1 design suits home setups, classrooms, and small custom shops. Easy Tuft Gun. The Easy Tuft Gun focuses on control, starting with adjustable pile height from 6 mm to 30 mm. Manual speed adjustment helps with detailed sections, repairs, and small pattern changes. It is also built to work with different yarn types by changing the needle head and pusher. This fits adults who want more precision in rug tufting and repair work. Button Maker Machine. If you want fast custom badges for events or small gifts, this 58 mm button maker keeps the process simple. The kit includes 100 button parts, 100 pictures, a circle cutter, and a magic book. Its upgraded swivel mount is made to improve positioning and accuracy. It works well for hobby projects, classroom activities, and home craft tables. Thermal camera. Hidden heat issues are hard to diagnose when the problem never shows on the surface. The FLR C3X reads from -20 to 300 degrees Celsius and uses 128 by 96 true thermal imaging. Patented MSX adds visible detail for a clearer picture, and wireless cloud upload helps with reports. It suits inspection, electrical, mechanical, building and heating or cooling work. The next few shift from craft work into machines built for routine jobs and clearer decision-making. Embroidery Machine. The Brother PE545 is an embroidery-only machine with a 4x4-inch hoop area and 135 built-in designs. Its 3 7-inch color touchscreen lets you preview, move, and edit patterns before stitching. Wireless file transfer, a USB port, and 10 font styles add flexibility without extra complexity. It is a practical fit for personalized gifts, monograms, and small decor projects. Cotton Candy Machine. For parties, fairs, or weekend events, speed matters more than fancy setup. This 1030-watt cotton candy machine makes 2 to 3 servings per minute in a 20-inch stainless steel bowl. It works with flossing sugar or certain hard candies and comes apart for easier cleaning. This makes sense for home entertaining or light commercial use on 110-volt power. Car Diagnostic Scanner. Car problems get expensive when you're guessing instead of testing. The Kingballon S6 Elite covers all systems, supports 15 reset functions, and works with more than 150 brands from 1996 to 2026. It also offers active testing, VIN scan in 2 seconds, and a 6-to-1 range. This is for owners and shop users who want more detail before buying parts. Articulating Borescope. The Testlong Borescope is built around a 5-foot semi-rigid cable and a 2-way articulating probe. A 4.5-inch color screen gives a direct view with no app required, and the camera lights help in dark spaces. The macro focus range runs from 0.6 to 4 inches. It works well for automotive checks, wall inspections, and plumbing access points. Coming up are a few tools that save time in business tasks. Then the list turns back toward hands-on shop work. Label Printer. When shipping labels slow down the workday, a thermal printer can remove extra steps. The Jadens label printer uses 203 dot per inch print quality and handles labels from 1.57 inches to 4.1 inches wide. It supports Bluetooth workflows and USB connection, depending on device. This is a strong match for online sellers handling Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or warehouse labeling. Quick reset. We are halfway through, and the next items focus more on counting, cutting, and production. Money counter. Cash handling becomes a bottleneck when mixed bills need fast verification. The LOLRAN N71 counts up to 1,200 bills per minute and uses infrared, ultraviolet, magnetic, and DD counterfeit detection. Its 3.5-inch main screen works with a side display for easier viewing. This is made for stores, offices, and businesses that process multiple currencies each day. Vinyl cutter. The LIKCUT S41 keeps sticker and vinyl projects straightforward with a 3-step workflow and dual-mode connectivity. It supports a maximum cutting width of 8.5 inches and uses micro-precision control with a 0.2 mm tolerance. A built-in screen gives real-time status and basic controls. This suits school projects, room decor, labels, and beginner craft use. 3D printer. If you want faster prints without spending time on manual bed setup, the Adventurer 5M goes in that direction. It offers one-click auto-leveling, up to 600 mm per second speed, and a 220 by 220 by 220 mm print size. The nozzle reaches 200 degrees Celsius in 35 seconds. This fits beginners and regular makers working with PLA, PETG, or TPU. Cup sealer. Cup sealing takes time when staff have to line up film and cups by hand. This Embroidery Machine automates feeding, alignment, sealing, and ejection in one flow. It handles 500 cups per hour, works with 90 or 95 mm cups, and supports 12-ounce to 32-ounce drinks. It is built for bubble tea shops, cafes, and busy drink counters. The next group leans into transfer work, food prep, and tabletop fabrication rather than general office use. Tumbler heat press. The HTVRL Tumbler Press is designed to reduce manual setup. It automatically adjusts pressure for tumblers from 2 to 3, 2 inches in diameter, and supports sizes from 280 milliliters to 850 milliliters. It also powers down after 15 minutes of inactivity and includes an emergency stop. This is for makers customizing tumblers, mugs, glasses, and water bottles. Press machine. A larger transfer setup helps when one machine needs to handle more than shirts. The VEVOR 8-in-1 heat press uses a 15 by 15-inch platen with dual tube heating and a 360-degree swing-away arm. The digital controller shows time and temperature clearly. It is meant for t-shirts, hats, mugs, plates, pillows, and bags in a single workstation. Food dehydrator. Drying food evenly can be slow when heat does not move across the trays. The Sosori Dehydrator offers 5 stainless steel trays, 1 square feet of drying space, and temperature control from 95 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. 4 presets cover jerky, fruit, vegetables, and yogurt. This is a practical choice for small batches of snacks, treats, and meal prep. CNC Router Kit. The CNC Topos 31800 is a desktop CNC router kit with a 300 by 180 by 45 mm working area. It uses a 120-watt spindle, a control board, and includes a 4 GB USB drive with software and instructions. Processing accuracy is about 0.2 mm. This is aimed at beginners and hobby users cutting wood, acrylic, PCB, or soft metal. One last pick remains, and it solves a cleaning job most people postpone far longer than they should. Window cleaning robot. Large windows look great until the outside glass becomes a regular chore. The Ecovix Winbot W2S Omni uses true edge cleaning, triple wide-angle spray nozzles, and a portable station that can run up to 110 minutes. A 12-level safety system helps it stay secure on glass. This is best for floor-to-ceiling windows, mirrors, glass doors, and hard-to-reach panels. That is the full list for today. If one of these fits the way you work, A subscribe helps me keep making practical research-based lists. Tell me which product feels the most useful in your routine. All product links are in the description. I will see you in the next one.